Okay, let's go ahead and add a couple of filters that will allow us to pick a range of both collision severity in terms of delta V, as well as the principal direction of force. So to do that under visualizations, we're going to go down to the slicer icon, pick that. Let's just move and resize the default slicer to be above our chart. And we're going to go to the GV table here in the right navigation panel, and let's go and find the DV total calculated. Can click and drag that over, and now we're able to slice based on the total delta V of the collision. So let's say that we really are only interested in items between 50 and maybe 75 kilometers per hour. We can go ahead and specify the range there. Maybe we're also interested in only specific delta V's. So we can go and add another slicer. So let's go and do that. Again, we'll arrange them so that they're side by side. And let's scroll down till we find the PDOF. Click and drag the PDOF onto our slider. And now we can filter for a range of principal directions of force. Maybe in this case, we're only really interested in PDOFs between, let's say 0 to 45 degrees. And by doing that, the table below will also update so that now it's only showing collisions where that particular vehicle experienced a PDOF between 0 to 45. One of the things I mentioned a little earlier on was that the injury severity scale really only goes from 0, which is not injured, up to 6, which is a critical injury or sort of a maximum injury. 7 in the database that we're using indicates that there was no information about that particular occupant. So what we might want to do is actually just not even show it on the chart here. To do that, we could apply a page level filter. So what I'm going to do is go back to my navigation panel on the right here. Let's look back at the OA table and scroll down till we get back to our occupant severity scale. I can click and drag this into the page level filters on the right here. And let's click so that it's just basic filtering. I can now go through and I can pick only values from 0 to 6. And this way we won't confuse things with a value of 7 that doesn't really mean anything in this particular case.